been traveling in Europe, getting a coach from here to Amsterdam, and we'll be in Amsterdam for a couple of days, and then check. I think that's how you check for your coach. So I got to find one to Amsterdam. I've been here for a few days. I really enjoyed this beautiful city of Berlin, and it's time to leave. Hello, welcome to Friendly Travels channel. The central bus station is quite far from where I was staying at. I had to get an Uber to the central bus station. It's actually quite a long way from where I was staying at. I didn't realize at the time of booking, so it was easier to get a taxi. I just used my UK Uber account to book Uber, and it was quite straightforward. That's the time. I think I'm so early for my coach, which is good. And I can see my coach 7:30 Amsterdam Sloterdijk says gate 24, so I'll have to go and find gate 24. Okay. Let's check out the waiting area. They have the toilet facilities. I hope they have the shops in there. Restaurants upstairs. I'm looking for shops. See if they have shops. Then I'll find the loop. So this is the massive waiting area, waiting room. Not too sure what Flix train is, but this is the central coach station. Got some shops here. And restaurants. So in here, this is what you can see. Have the drinks. Fresh food and drink to take on this trip. Although the coach will schedule some stops along the way, I think it's more convenient and cheaper to have your own food. And my coach is not here yet. It is best to be early rather than late and rushing. As our coach just arriving. Coach just arrived. Looks battered. Can always change seats. There are some empty seats. The coach looks very comfortable, clean inside. It has reading light, aircon, and power charging point. Also, I don't have a neighbor on the seat. It's not too many passengers traveling today. From here to Amsterdam, Sloterdijk. So that's me leaving Berlin and going to Amsterdam on the coach.
Traffic regulations.
Power charging connection overhead, and that there is internet connection, Wi-Fi on the coach, and toilet facilities.
If there is anything I can do for you to make your journey more convenient, please let me know. I wish you a good journey. Thank you.
Let's enjoy the beautiful scenery along the way. See, the buildings have changed. The scenery has changed a bit. Still really beautiful. Border crossing. I was wondering whether we are still in Germany or in Netherlands, and we are still in Germany. It's like a half an hour break at this place. Let's see what they have in the shops. A swift transition from Germany highway into Netherlands highway.
Het is veel beter. Nou, ik vind die ook leuk, maar ik vind die wel
On the journey, I was doing a bit of editing, enjoying the scenery, chilling out, relaxing. The 8 hour has gone quite quick. It's been an exciting journey. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Arriving at Amsterdam Central, we'll be dropping off some passengers and then carry on to Sloterdijk. I will definitely be making similar trips to various destinations. My destination in Amsterdam, I think it's called, I'll put the name in the comments. It is just a short bus ride from Sloterdijk station or from Central. You can also travel by train or tram. I think the hotels here are a bit affordable and it's slightly quieter than Amsterdam Central. I think you can walk from Sloterdijk, they were saying like 30 minutes if you don't have luggage. I got one day to explore. I've been here before, so I'll pick up a couple of things to explore, possibly flower market, and we'll see how the day goes.